In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn designs into real code. We'll walk through a simple, practical workflow using Figma so you can go from a finished mockup to usable JavaScript code in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, open your page or file that contains the design you want to convert. Take a quick moment to make sure your design is really ready. Check that your layout is final, your frames are clearly defined, and your components, text styles, and colors are consistent. The cleaner your design, the cleaner the code you'll get back. When you're satisfied, copy your design. You can do this by selecting the frame or selection you want and copying it, so it's ready to paste later. Next, return to the main Figma website view. Go back to Files so you're at the dashboard where you can access Figma's broader tools. From here, click Make. This opens the Make experience inside Figma, where you can interact with your design using natural language. If your interface looks a little different, look for the Make entry point in the top navigation or your workspace home. The label will simply say Make. With Make open, click into the prompt area and paste your copied design. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to drop in what you copied from your file. You should see a preview or reference of your selection appear, confirming that the design content is attached to your prompt. Now it's time to tell Make what you want. Type your command clearly and directly. For example, I'll type turn into JS code, then press Enter. Keep your prompt short but specific so the system knows you want JavaScript output. If you have a particular style in mind, like a framework or a component structure, you can mention that in your wording, but even a simple command works well for a first pass. Once you submit, give it a moment to process. You'll receive generated JavaScript code based on the design you pasted. Review the output to understand how it mapped your layout, text, and components to code. If something looks off, refine the original design for clarity and run the same process again, or adjust your command to be more explicit about what you need. And that's it. You opened Figma, prepared and copied your design, went back to Files, opened Make, pasted your selection, typed your command, and pressed Enter to get JavaScript code from your design.